Okay, so 1 second, let me move the Nearpod over. So on the Nearpod, you guys are going to see the directions for this. So I'm going to be sending you guys into your breakout rooms. And in these breakout rooms, you guys will be reading this article named George Washington Warned Against Political Infighting in His Farewell Address. So as a group, I want you guys to read this article out loud to each other. So you guys will have to use your guys' mics for this, okay, guys? And going in reverse alphabetical order. So last time we went in alphabetical order. This time we're going to go in reverse alphabetical order, starting with the last person and the alphabet. So that means if your name starts with a Z, you will first be the first one to begin reading. And so you guys will use popcorn reading. So that means each person will read 2 paragraphs at a time. Okay, so you read 2 paragraphs, the next person reads 2 paragraphs, and so on. So remember, you guys will need to use your guys' mics for this. You guys will need to use your microphones. And also, there's going to be another section of the actual article called Full Text of George Washington's Farewell Address. You guys are not required to read that in groups. If you want to read it on your own time, I would actually highly recommend that you do, because it is very long, but it's also very inspirational as well. So if your mic is very laggy, that is fine, guys. If your mic's a little bit laggy, go ahead, just keep on reading, and we'll follow along as well. So if it sounds a little choppy, if you're following along, you'll be fine, okay? I still want to see you guys reading out loud to each other, okay? And so once you guys have read the whole article, I want you guys to summarize it on the Nearpod using at least 2 complete sentences, okay? And make sure to mention the 3 key points of Washington's farewell address as well. So I'm going to be sending you guys to your breakout rooms right now. So 1 second. Okay. So those rooms are opening up right now. So I will be going around to each group and checking on your guys' progress as well.
I need everybody's responses. I need to know that you guys are active. I need to know that you guys are posting.
Okay. So Maritza, let me get you the Spanish version real fast. How do you? Can you? Let me give you presenter rights. Can you show me real fast how to do that as well? Because I know you showed me the other day, and I forgot to. I forgot how to do it. Sorry about that. Let me give you presenter. Okay, is that an extension on your computer? Okay. If you would like to, yeah, if you would like to, I would greatly appreciate that if you could translate that and possibly send that over to Maritza as well. Thank you so much, Pablo. I appreciate it. Okay, we will begin off. It would be Pablo starting off, and then I do believe afterwards to be Maritza, Jose, and then Angel, okay? So I will be going around. I want to see you guys reading out loud, okay? Okay, guys, I want to see you guys reading out loud, okay? So go ahead, guys, read this article. Remember, starting off with a person that goes last in the alphabet. So it'd be Rayvon, then it'd be Kevin, then it'd be Nina. So go ahead, guys, start reading. I will be going around and checking up on you guys, and I want to see that you guys are reading out loud as a group, okay? Okay, guys. So I want to see that you guys are reading out loud. Okay, guys. So I want to see that you guys are reading. You guys should be reading that article that I just put in chat. So remember, going in reverse alphabetical order, you guys will be reading. So I want to Exu to start off, and then it'll be Savannah, then Louise. So I'm going to be going around to each group. I want to see that you guys are actively reading. Okay. And remember, if you guys aren't reading, your guys' participation grade will be hurt as well. So I want to see you guys reading. Okay. So I just saw Kimberly. You guys are having some lagging issues. If you guys are lagging out too much, so who's not able to read? Who's not able to read, guys? Okay, so I see that you guys are still typing right now. Okay, fair. So I'm going to. So if your mic's not working today, I want you to. There's going to be a thing at McLean High School this weekend, actually. So you can actually go and they have a flat center there. If your mic's actually not working, then you can replace your mic there. Actually, they'll give you a replacement mic and headset. And if it's like, oh, my internet's not working properly, they also have some hotspots there as well. And so, I want I want to make sure that in the future that you can use those properly. Okay. So if that is that way today, you guys can read the articles to your guys' self. However, in the future, I want you guys to be able to get the mics and hotspots as well. Okay, guys? Okay, so go ahead. If you guys can't read it, just go ahead and read it by your guys' self. Okay, guys, how are we doing in here? So who is supposed to be reading right now? Okay, so Pablo, but your siblings are making too much noise. Okay, so I'm actually going to let's go on to the next person. So, Pablo, how did you read up until um how far did you read to? Which part? What words? What paragraph did you leave off on? Okay, just go ahead, Pablo. If there's a little bit of background noise, that's fine. Okay. Neared. Rheumatism? His policies? Revolutionary? Yes, 2 paragraphs at a time. Protege? Drafted? Unified? Good job. So the next person is Maritza would be the next person. So Maritza, go ahead and read. Okay, thank you, Pablo. Okay. I don't know how accurate that was, but that's Google Translate for you. Yeah, but say it is Lee. I don't know. I forgot. Maritza, oop. Oh, okay. The paragraph that we're actually on right now, or the paragraph or the article? The article? Yes. Go ahead, go Maritza. Okay. Maritza, can you read the? Okay, 1 second. Okay, thank you, Maritza. Gracias, Maritza. Okay, Jose, can you read the next section?